Me and Jackie Boy are on a little solo backpacking hiking mission in the Bishop Mammoth Lakes area. Our goal for this mission is to find some pretty epic lakes, score some good camp spots. The plan is for this trip that there is no plan really. I'm on the road right now and I pretty much have no idea where I'm headed. If you guys are into this kind of stuff, then stick around, and if you're not, well, peace out, Girl Scout. All right, this is the zone me and Jack are at right now. We're doing a little piss break, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Me and Jack, last minute, literally yesterday, we were like, hey, we like the mountains, we like road trips, we like camping, we like alpine lakes. So I was like, hey, Jackie Boy, you wanna go on a little 2-day mission? And he was like, sure, Henry, let's hit it. So here we are, spirits are high, we're feeling good. You're in my spot, mister. Go on, budge over. Journey continues off to Mammoth area. So I don't even know where I'm camping tonight. I'm just freaking driving. Onward and forward to, I already said Mammoth, but let's do this, chicken boy, chicken boy. Oh, I just can't believe it. We just drove the entire way here, 5 hours. Boom, road shut down. No enter, big signs, closed. Here we are, me and Jack have been driving freaking all day, and we have no idea what to do. I mean, I have literally no clue where to go. Moral of the story is the road's closed, and you know what that means. The road's closed. Luckily, the day's still young, so I'm not worried too much. Me and Jack's original plan might have gone to shit, but with a little bit of perseverance, me and Jack didn't stop at that. We kept going, and 1 hour later, we have found the zone of all zones. Look at this. This is incredible. And free parking, no one here. Surrounded by these trees, and then look at those mountains out there. And tomorrow I just found some like lake back there, and it's only a 4-mile hike instead of what I was planning on doing, like a 15-mile hike. We have a free, incredible campsite with not a single person around. Wait, I want to show you guys the zone. There's a little bit of snow though. There's a little bit of snow, which is kind of sick, but it just means the temperatures are going to get pretty low tonight. I got to drive the car through the snow, and then the camp spot's a little further up there. Dun dun dun, private camp spot for free. We have arrived, Jackie Boy. Welcome to our new home, Jackie Boy. Let's go. Woohoo. Why pay for a campsite when you can find one for free and be all alone? I don't know. Now that me and Jack have officially found our legendary camp spot, I have yet another conundrum. My conundrum is that tomorrow we are planning on waking up probably around the 4 a.m. range. And since I'm alone, I feel like packing up the tent alone in the dark might be a little challenging and annoying. So I don't know if it's possible, but an idea I have that I'm going to attempt or see if this works is somehow rearrange the car in a way where there's a 6'3" long space that I can somehow squeeze in that would allow me to sleep inside of the car. So when that alarm goes off in the morning, it's just boom, straight to the front seat and off I go. What is this? The Four Seasons? I didn't know I signed up for this. Look at this. Oh, someone's gonna be sleeping good tonight. Jackie Boy's taking up the wheel. Who knows where it'll take me next. That looks comfy. Let's test it out. Ooh, let's see if I can fit in this car. All right, testing. 1, 2, 3. You're kidding me. So comfy. All right, sun's just beginning to set, so that means it's time for dinner. Let's get this thing going, because I don't want to be cooking in the dark. I want to be in there nice and warm when it's dark. Also, I want to fly the drone, so I still have quite a bit to do before we lose light. Also, I forgot a pot again, and I'm making pasta, so it's only one thing to do. Camping pasta again with the kettle is going down because I forget the pot every time. while the water's boiling for the pasta, I'm gonna bring up the drone to give you guys a little wider view of what this camp spot looks like. All right, drone clips of campsite and surrounding area on. I'll throw down 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll throw down 4. Jack will throw down 1. We're hungry, boys. And about to go on a huge hike tomorrow, so we gotta fuel up big time. Hey. Good boy. Oh, Sparky. The trick with the kettle, pasta's in there. Don't have a strainer, but I do have a kettle. Strains the pasta. Boom. Pasta is strained. Boom. There it is. A feast and a half. You want to try some sausage, Jack? How's that? Oh, yeah. Tomorrow's alarm, I think, is going to be set around 4:30, but I have to double check. So, gonna finish this off, clean up, climb into bed, call it a night, early one, because I'm waking up early, and hopefully it all goes to plan. But look at that for a meal. Are you kidding me? All right, I'm going to eat this in peace. All right, it's starting to get dark. I packed up all my gear. Everything's cleaned up. No trash left behind. That's all I have to put in the car tomorrow morning. And then this is the setup inside the car. Got Jackie Boy already ready to hit the hay. And then in the morning, all I have to do is open the trunk, put these couple things in, and then I'm off to the trailhead in the dark, which is gonna save so much time. And I'm kind of happy I'm not putting away a tent by myself at 4 a.m. in these woods, because you feel a little vulnerable, which makes sense because I am literally in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I think it's time to hit the hay. Literally every tree trunk right now is playing mind games with me. Settling in, I will see you guys in the morning. 4:30 wake up. Gonna be pretty doable because I'm going to bed really early right now, and I'm really excited for tomorrow. Me and Jack are gonna try and get some rest, hopefully with no interruptions in the middle of the night, but I mean, who the hell knows? I am in the middle of nowhere. Morning, 4:30 a.m. Let's go. Whoa. It's so early. Oh, it's 4:30. Me and Jack are up. There's my hiking buddy. We made it to the trailhead. It's still a little too dark to start hiking, but the moon is up and it's going. So at least we'll have some moonlight to hike in. There's enough light now. It's go time. Gonna change, gonna get into some warmer gear, and then me and Jack are out there. It looks totally doable, and this is gonna be sick. little extra info for you guys. It is 29 degrees, so that's fun. Definitely on the nippy side, but not nippy enough where it will just keep you nipping in the car, if you know what I mean. And we have Mr. Short Legs here, so any snow over 1 foot, Jackie Boy is gonna be halfway under. All right, me and Jack have started our climb. You guys definitely can't see me right now, and I don't want to shine a light in my face, because then when I turn the light off, I'm gonna go completely blind, and I need to see what's going on right now. The moon's providing a ton of light right now, which is amazing. There's a slight hint of the sun rising off in the horizon, but it won't be up for another hour and a half or so. but me and Jack are getting after it. Oh, this elevation gain is absolutely brutal. But look, the moon's just about to set behind the mountains right here. And then me and Jack just climbed this, which is a solid elevation gain. But light is coming, and that's all I want right now. Look how steep this is. That just took so long. Jackie boy's on another level of greatness. Jack, you're doing so good. Well, problem number one of the day has occurred. And this is a iffy one. So basically, me and Jack just walked the entire way up here for about 2 miles. And then I realized at the end, it dead ends right here. So then I did some research, which I don't know how I have servers up here, but luckily I did. And basically, the trail I'm supposed to be on is on the other side of this mountain range. So I don't know whether to head down or if I do a little hop, jump, skimmy, shimmy on the other side and then send it up. This is interesting. I don't know how I got off trail so much. That's the disadvantage of starting so early, is you can't see shit, so you just kind of make your own trail. And well, that didn't work. All right, I'm gonna make this work somehow. I'm gonna figure this out. For sure I'm not climbing over that thing now. That is just trouble waiting to happen. Jack, what have we gotten ourselves into now? I mean, whoa, it's so slippy. I mean, look at where we are right now. Freaking winter wonderland. Oh yes, this is funny. Come here. Oh, Spark. Oh, Jackie boy. Oh, we're all alone. Sierras are lighting up. Sierras are lighting up. The moon's still out. First bit of light's hitting the peaks. And we're on it all alone. And look at this like freaking prairie thingy. Knuckles. Hey, Knuckles. Good boy. I also just found out that it's 10 miles round trip with 3,000 foot of elevation gain, which isn't that hard, but what does make it hard is that the entire thing is snow and ice, which means you got to go slow and you're constantly slipping and stuff. It's not hard, but it's definitely not a walk in the park. This hike just got fucked up fast. Me and Jack, I don't know if you can tell how steep this is, but it's very steep. And look, there's no trail. No trail. We just had to like tiptoe and not slide down that. And it's so annoying because we're literally like a quarter of a mile from the lake and we just hiked the whole way here. So I don't want to turn around now because it's right there. Snow is not my thing. We're going to keep going, but if we hit another obstacle like that, I think we're going back. It just sucks. I can't believe this. I mean, I literally hiked from way back there, zigzagged through the freaking night. And of course, another obstacle and an even harder one. So annoying because the lake is literally right over there, but this is the obstacle. That little ridge, there's no trail. And if you do slip, and it's literally ice, and I don't have the right shoes on, and Jack's paws don't have any grip, so he'll just go slipping down. One slip here, and you're just sliding the entire way down. Boom. And I'm not one to turn around on hikes, but I have to say it's pretty sketchy. I'm kind of honestly over this hike, which is a shame. But I'm gonna try and fly my drone over there and just see what the lake looks like. But yeah, I'm kind of over this, and I don't want to risk that with the dog either. So drone clips are going up. Let's see what this lake looks like. I mean, it might even be frozen over. I have no idea. I was not expecting this much snow. Me and Jack decided to turn around. It was just not worth it. The trail was so snowy with like 200-foot drops that you could just slide down. So decided to call it. Honestly, I'm a little over the snow. Not much of a snow guy, I would do say myself. Is that the whatever. And so yeah, I think I'm actually just gonna call this entire trip. So basically this is a this is like a 24-hour road trip. And I actually got quite a bit done, but I mean, a lot didn't go to plan. That's what happens when you go on a road trip and you don't really plan too much. and you go during the winter season. Whoa! What a save. Holy crap. Okay, well, as you can see, it's also very icy and slippy. So we're headed back to the car and I'm gonna head home. It's kind of the end. Also a big role in this, which has nothing to do with the snow, is I just got a surf report that the surf's on tomorrow morning. So that's also really why I'm headed back. But anyways, that doesn't matter. I hope you guys enjoyed this little solo adventure. Well, I had Jack. Jack, you were so good today. I can't even describe what this dog did today. I didn't film any of the obstacles we did because I had to focus the whole time. But this dog took it to the next level. He might not be the most social dog, but I can guarantee he can compete against any other hiking dog. He was absolutely insane. Just sent it with his little coat with no booty dog shoes things for 10 miles on the snow. And he's looking chipper. Jack, you're the man. Love you. If you guys could hit that like button 3 times and the subscribe button 3 times. I mean, you might as well hit me with a double whammy if you're gonna hit me with one. And yeah, that's about it. Roger out. Last view. And until the next outdoor adventure, Roger out.